Hello, everyone, and welcome back. All right, well, I think I took a long enough break. I think I just had to take that break, take care of some stuff around the house. But anyways, I'm going to see if I get a stock lock Sunday in for you guys with this Ruko Ovel. Now, I got this lock, oh gosh, over a year and a half ago from my buddy Randy Perkins. A lot of you probably remember who he was. He used to be a huge part of the lock sport community. A while back, he kind of like just stopped. He didn't make any more videos. He didn't make that many, but he used to comment, and it was just a huge part of the lock sport community for a long time. But he had some things going on with the family, and he kind of dropped out. He might come back. I do talk to him once in a while. But anyways, long story short, I got this lock over a year and a half ago, and I could not get it open for the life of me. And well, I watched UK Lock Pickup pick one almost just like it, and well, it reminded me I even had it, so I ended up taking it back out, and I thought it was pretty cool the way it had a sleeve around his core. I have not opened this one yet. I mean, I just wasn't worthy of it because I haven't got it picked on video. But I'm going to see if we can get a pick on video for you guys today, and we'll open it up and see if it has that sleeve around the core, just like his did. That's the bitting on it. It's got a pretty nice bitting. So, and it works very smooth. It's a 5-pin. But let's see if we get it open for you guys. I want to open this thing for the first time ever for me, too. Alright, I'm going to zoom it up for us. Possibly. It's been a while since I've done a video, so just bear with me a little bit. Okay. Let me see. I'm going to go with top of the keyway here. It's a little bit loose, but... And we'll see if we get open with, well, my favorite pick here from my buddy Truckmaster 30. Kind of medium tension, and like I said, I don't get a lot of feedback from here. I just get a lot of clicks. I just have to go with that. And I think this is pin 4. And I'm just going to like try to get him one click at a time. I'm not going to try to get a whole bunch of clicks out of them, because that's when I tend to overset them. This is pin 3. Oh, it's a big one though. Alright, let's move on. That might have been pin 3 again. Possibly 3 or 2. Another nice click. I'm trying to slide by pin 4 again. I might have dropped it. And a little click from 5. Coming back out. Tiny click there from 1. Very small. No false set yet. I don't think you get, from what I remember, I don't think you get much of a false set on this one. It's been a couple weeks since I picked it. I picked it a couple times. I picked it once right after I watched this video. And then I picked it again, I think a couple weeks ago or so. Right now I'm just trying to get a click from somebody. I might have overset something. Yeah, I think I did. Just drop this back. Oh, just a hair. I heard something drop. Let me just check before I do it again. Yeah. Little click from 5. Another click from 5. Little click from 2. Might be back on the right track. Nobody wants to give. Oh, tiny click from 5. As long as I get a little click, I'm happy. A little click from 2. That's really all you get. Until you get a little bit of a false set. There's a little click from 2. Ooh, tiny click from 3. Or 2, excuse me, and a little click from 1. And this is a bugger of a lock. Little bugger. Oh, we're open. Woo! Yeah, like I said, a lot of little clicks, and that's about it. You don't get much feedback at all. Alright, but you can see we are open. So now we are going to see what's inside of it for finally. So we'll put it down there. And see what we got down here. Ready to go. I guess we could use this one. Alright. Finally, we're going to open this thing up. Actually, let's lock it back up. Let's do it with the key. I think I buried it here. Yeah, I did. Alright, sorry for the long video, guys. I'll try to do this quickly as I possibly can. I don't think I'm going to get it with this. Oh, maybe I will. It's not on there really that tight. Alright, screwdriver. Oh, there's 2 of them on there. Okay. There's one. There's another clip right here. Okay. Let's see, I think I got a bigger shim over here. It's a little bent though. It's alright. Ooh, that's tight. We're not going to push it with that. We'll end up breaking that one. Let me see here. See if we can get it out with this one. Yeah. Thing about the lighted plug follower. It's a little thin, so you could end up cracking and breaking it if you force it too hard on some of these locks. Alright, and I think I lost that shim somewhere. Alright, that's alright. And it doesn't appear to have that sleeve around the core. Alright, but we got a standard, 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 standard. But it does have some countermilling. Very slight, unless that is a sleeve. Let's see if I get it to focus. You can see that countermilling in every chamber. But, no, it's one piece. It's not a sleeve. It just has countermilling. Alright, let's see what we have up here. Oh, darn it. I dropped my tweezers. Okay. I call these kind of barrel type spools. I'll put that there. I don't think I'm going to even take out the springs. I'm sure they're all the same. Ooh, that's a long barrel spool. I'll give you a look at these. Another one. Another one. And I believe another one, yep. Excuse me. Alright, real quick, I just want to look down here. Yeah, there's no counter milling or anything in there. And all the springs look like they're just steel and all the same. Alright, let's have a look at the pins real quick. Alright, well, all the pins down below are standards, and I don't believe they're beveled or anything. Nope. And then up top, we have these barrel type spools. Short and long. And they're all just barrel spools in different lengths. Yep. Alright, awesome. Alright, well, it's good to be back. Yeah, I'm going to try to get some more videos out to you guys. You know, I think I took a long enough break. And, yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And, yeah, everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks, guys. Bye.